pray this prayer from the boil of my spirit for this second oil. And God said, the oil will be cold. Affliction will not arise a second time. I don't know the people I am praying for, but affliction will not arise a second time. Affliction will not arise a second time. You will not cry the same tears again. You will not be delayed the way you were delayed again. Oh, it will not arise a second time. It will not arise a second time. Let your amen turn louder. Anoint yourself for the third time. Lift up your two hands. The Lord said to me, this oil is for everyone that feel that they are living below their destiny. Some people are celebrating you, but you know that where you are is smaller than where you ought to be. If God gave me this word, in 21 days, in 21 days, let the hand of the Lord lift you from where you are. Let the hand of the Lord lift you from where you are. Enter to where you truly belong. Anoint yourself for the fourth time and lift up your two hands before God. Zekodo boroshi bada bada baba baba sirokodo. Erebiana baba baba the Korea the Kurisika de boroshia. Aradana baba baba sikotono. This might not be for everyone, but the people that I am talking to, they know. From today henceforth, it will never be said that your yesterday was better than your today. For everyone, they stole your glory, they stole your speed, they stole where you ought to be. Before emperor, before emperor, before emperor, let there be a restoration. Let there be a restoration. Let there be a restoration.